Meaning of hang glider.
Hang glider.
Hang glider.
Hang glider.
Hang glider. A hang glider is a lightweight aircraft consisting of a fabric wing, attached to a harness suspended from a frame. The pilot hangs below the wing and controls the aircraft by shifting their weight. Hang gliding allows for a thrilling and exhilarating experience, as the pilot soars through the air with a bird's-eye view of the surrounding landscape. It requires skill, knowledge, and experience to safely operate a hang glider. Despite its potential dangers, hang gliding has become a popular recreational activity around the world, offering individuals the opportunity to experience the freedom of flight without an engine or cockpit.